Welcome to Feedforward AI News. I'm Liam, your guide to the latest breakthroughs shaping the world of artificial intelligence.
And I'm Olivia. Today we've got an incredible lineup of stories. We're going to be looking at AI news and developments today. Some pretty big stuff from Google, OpenAI, even some interesting research from the University of Texas.
All right, so first up is Google. They've been busy, as always. They've got this new tool called Whisk.
It's for creating AI images, but it's got this interesting twist to it. Right? It's not your typical AI image generator. Basically, it uses a three-part system. So you get a subject, a scene, and the style. Three separate reference images. It uses Google's new visual understanding system called Gemini to analyze those images and come up with descriptions. And then those descriptions get fed into Imagen 3, which is their image generation engine.
The result is an image that combines all three elements: the subject, the scene, and the style. Pretty wild, right? What's really cool about Whisk is that it's designed to be super user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding expert to use it. It's basically drag and drop. Whisk handles all the complex stuff behind the scenes, like feature extraction and semantic analysis, generating a really impressive, realistic image.
All right, so moving on to OpenAI, they got their own new AI model called O3, and this thing is a beast when it comes to coding and problem solving. We're talking next level stuff here.
I mean, this model is incredible at programming.
And not just programming, but also mathematics. So we see that on competition math benchmarks, just like competitive programming, we achieve very, very strong scores.
Just to give you an idea, it scored 71.7% accuracy on bench verified, which is a pretty tough coding benchmark. But here's the kicker. It also achieved an ELO score of 2,727 in competitive programming.
And if you're not familiar with ELO scores, basically the higher the score, the better the player. Right? In the world of AI, that score puts O3 in a whole different league when it comes to problem solving.
And this measures the model's performance on PhD-level science questions. Here we get another state-of-the-art number, 87.7%.
The OpenAI also released a more affordable version of O3 called O3 Mini, and that makes this cutting-edge technology accessible to a wider audience, which is pretty great. And O3 Mini even has this really neat adaptive thinking time feature.
Low, medium, and high reasoning effort. So the users can freely adjust the thinking time based on their different use cases.
So basically, you can adjust how much processing power the AI dedicates to a particular task. Pretty handy, right? Makes it super versatile for all sorts of projects, whether it's a simple script or a really complicated mathematical problem.
Let's switch gears for a minute and talk about some pretty cool research that's happening over at the University of Texas. They've made a major breakthrough in sound-image AI. This has the potential to be a game changer for a whole bunch of industries. Seriously, imagine being able to take the sounds of, say, a busy city street and turn those sounds into a detailed visual representation of that street. That's what this technology can do. The applications are pretty diverse, like urban planning, entertainment, security, even accessibility for the visually impaired. We're talking about potential across a whole bunch of sectors. And what's really exciting is that this research isn't just theoretical. The team at UT has achieved an 80% accuracy rate in their test. So this means that this technology is ready for real-world applications. Pretty cool, right?
All right, now let's jump to Midjourney. They're a platform that's been killing it in the creative space, especially with AI image generation. Well, they just rolled out some super interesting personalization features, including a really cool Moodboard system for AI image generation. So what Midjourney has done is giving you the power to create custom profiles that basically tailor the AI to your specific aesthetic preferences. They've got three types of profiles you can choose from. A global profile, we've kind of learned your general style over time. And then they've got standard profiles, which are more for specific projects or, maybe a particular artistic style. But the one that's really got people talking is the Moodboard-based profile. This is where you can actually upload a collection of images that represent your overall vision. And the AI takes those images, analyzes them, and uses them as inspiration to create something totally unique and personalized.
It's almost like having your own AI art directory. Knows what you like and helps you bring your creative vision to life. And that level of creative control and consistency across projects, it's something that artists and designers have been wanting for a long time. So kudos to Midjourney for making that happen.
Okay, now let's shift gears again and talk about DeepSeek and their new V3 model. This thing is causing a stir in the AI world because it's not just about its capabilities, it's also about accessibility. So what sets DeepSeek's V3 model apart is its efficiency.
They've managed to achieve state-of-the-art performance using just, get this, 2,000 GPUs, which is a tiny fraction of the 100,000 GPUs that are typically needed in the industry.
Now, in terms of performance, the V3 model is no slouch either. We're talking a 90.2% accuracy rate on the Math 500 benchmark.
And they did it with a training cost of a little over $5.5 million. This is huge because it shows that you don't need a massive budget or a giant server farm to develop cutting-edge AI.
And get this, they released the V3 model with an open source license, so anyone can actually use it even for commercial purposes, which is amazing. I mean, this is a total game changer for innovation across all sorts of sectors.
Which means it has enormous potential for things like education and scientific research. It's also incredibly good at coding, making it a pretty valuable tool for software developers. And with a processing speed of 60 tokens per second, it can even handle real-time applications.
So DeepSeek is showing everyone that high-performance AI doesn't have to be a pipe dream. They're changing the game and opening up a world of possibilities for everyone.
That's all for today's roundup of cutting-edge AI innovations. Stay tuned for more updates into the technologies shaping our future.
Future of AI it's being written right now. And it's a future that's full of both promise and potential pitfalls. It's a future that we're all going to be shaping together.
Stay tuned for more updates into the technologies shaping our future. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest in AI news and insights.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking those big questions.